To install the Whoop battery life, you need to start by purchasing a replacement battery from the official Whoop website or other authorized retailers. Once you have the new battery, begin by preparing your Whoop strap for the replacement process, making sure it is powered off and any extra accessories like the clasp or band are removed. Next, locate the battery compartment on the Whoop strap. This is typically found on the underside of the device. You will see a small latch or clip holding the compartment in place. Gently release the latch to open the compartment, taking care not to damage any of the internal components. Now, carefully remove the old battery from the compartment, taking note of the orientation and position of the battery within the compartment. Dispose of the old battery responsibly. Take the new battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring it is properly seated and the contacts are aligned. Replace the compartment cover and secure it with the latch, making sure it clicks into place. After installing the new battery, turn on your Whoop strap and check that it is functioning correctly, paying attention to the battery level indicator to confirm the new battery is recognized. It is essential to note that when handling the battery and internal components of your Whoop strap, you should avoid touching any of the electrical contacts to prevent damage. Additionally, ensure the new battery is compatible with your specific Whoop model to guarantee optimal performance and longevity. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully install the Whoop battery life and get back to tracking your fitness and health metrics with ease. Always refer to the official Whoop documentation or support resources if you encounter any issues during the replacement process.